Understanding narrow shoulders in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, narrow shoulders. This phrase is often used metaphorically but also has a literal meaning. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about this phrase, this video will help you understand its nuances. Narrow shoulders refer to the physical characteristic where a person's shoulders are less broad compared to the average. It's a straightforward description of someone's body shape. For example, when describing a person, one might say, "She has narrow shoulders," making her look petite. In a metaphorical sense, narrow shoulders can imply a lack of strength or inability to bear heavy responsibilities. It's not about physical attributes but rather about character or capability. For instance, in a sentence like, "He has narrow shoulders for such a big role," it suggests that the person might not be suited for a role that requires significant responsibility. It's important to be sensitive when using phrases related to physical attributes. Describing someone as having narrow shoulders should be done with care, especially in formal or professional settings. However, the metaphorical use is more common in literary or conversational contexts to subtly describe someone's character. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, narrow shoulders, and its uses in English. Remember, language is not just about words but the context and connotations they carry. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.